Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a video to your Dropbox account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Dropbox, and a video that may have been recorded via an iPhone, a screen recording through a Mac computer, accessible to be uploaded to cloud storage. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Dropbox. Click on this, go to dropbox.com, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to account, go to my Dropbox. Let's now minimize Safari for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Again, go to Finder, locate a video in the movies folder, go to videos, and here we have a screen recording that's called video.mp4. Right click, copy, paste to the desktop. We can now quit Finder, go all the way down to the dock again, go back to Safari, go to upload and drop, file, from the desktop, video, click on this, now go to upload. Wait for that to upload. Depending on the file size, the upload should be fairly quick unless we are uploading gigabytes and gigabytes of video footage to cloud storage. Then it could take some time. However, in this tutorial, we were uploading a video file. If we get info to confirm that this was 561 kilobytes in size, which is a very small file, and there we have it. Upload has been successful. We can then click into that video, and then we can play the video within Dropbox. If I were to, let's just say, go to open again, this should then take us to a brand new page of where the video has been uploaded to. If I click on this, as you can see, the video is not that of a great quality video, as we have downloaded this video many a time to have it compressed in size. And there we go. We can now click on X twice, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.